In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install WordPress on Crazy Domains. We'll start right at the source. Open your browser and head to the Crazy Domains website. Once you're there, sign into your account using your usual login details. Make sure you're using the account that actually owns the hosting for the domain you want to use, so everything lines up correctly. After you're logged in, go to the hosting service that's linked to your domain. You'll usually find this under your account dashboard or a section labeled Hosting. Click into the plan associated with the domain where you want WordPress. From there, open the hosting control panel. Depending on your setup, this could be cPanel or Plesk, but the idea is the same. It's the main place where you manage your website files, databases, and apps. Inside the control panel, look for the WordPress installer or a one-click install option. It might appear under headings like Applications, Website, or something like Softaculous or Installatron. This tool handles all the behind-the-scenes tasks like creating the database, so you don't have to do it manually. Select WordPress from the list of available applications. When prompted, choose the domain where you want it installed. If you have multiple domains or subdomains, double-check you're selecting the correct one. If you want WordPress on your main site, leave the directory field blank so it installs at the root of your domain rather than in a subfolder. Next, enter your website details and your admin login information. This typically includes a site title, an admin username, a strong password, and an email address for important notifications and password recovery. Avoid obvious usernames, use a unique password, and keep your credentials stored securely. You can also set the site language here if that option appears. When everything looks good, start the installation. The installer will create the database, configure the files, and set up your site automatically. Give it a moment to run. Don't close the window until you see a success message. Once it's complete, open your domain in a new tab to confirm WordPress is installed. You should see the default WordPress homepage or theme. If you don't see it right away, clear your browser cache and refresh. For future logins, your WordPress dashboard is typically available at yourdomain.com admin using the admin details you just created. And that's it. WordPress is now installed on Crazy Domains. From here, you can customize your theme, add plugins, and start publishing content. Thanks for watching and enjoy building your site.